Well, welcome back, everyone. This market, it just does not quit. We've got a bigger move back up that's taken this market out of that downward momentum. All of last week into the end of last week, all of that selling has now been signaled as overturned, as price action from yesterday through today's market has taken us well above the halfway marker of the range of that sell-off. And of course, it is NASDAQ driven. Now, the NASDAQ is almost back up into the drop point, if you will, from last week's down. And it's now up to technical signals to tell us if it's up and away and where perhaps to. Let's go take a quick look at the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, along with a couple of the marketplace indicators like Rob's TRP toolkit to get a sense of the signaled target areas. What you're looking at on screen right now is the S&P E-minis. I'm just going to zoom in at the hard right edge over here. That's today's candle. You can see that we've got a champion cross buy signal state in play, but on the daily chart as of yet, we have not moved out of the neutral champion trend zone. It's still yellow with a blue border. Nonetheless, we are making inroads to get back up to the drop point and then some. So what do we have at a target on a target basis? You can see that the TRP buy signal, the cyan dot right over there, on today's bar remains near the end of today. And the target one is up here at 57.69. So we're talking about potential new all-time highs. Now, I don't want to get giddy about that until we, of course, come up and are able to take out the highs from the resistance that we are moving up into. However, a move that continues up towards that resistive area, it becomes highly probable. And that is in and of itself about 60 to 70 points higher on the S&P E-minis. That's about $6 to $7. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching.